Hello and welcome to Rajya Sabha News. I'm Tina Jha. Let's begin with the headlines. Central Sanskrit Universities Bill 2019 approved by Rajya Sabha, clearing the way for 3 deemed Sanskrit universities to get central university status. Upper House discusses working of Ministry of Railways. Trinamool Congress MP Derek O'Brien emphasises need to increase transparency. Government's reply pending. And members discuss ways to tackle the novel coronavirus. Chairman Naidu urges people to not believe in rumours, follow hygiene and good practices. Rajya Sabha on Monday passed a bill to upgrade 3 deemed Sanskrit universities into central universities with a few amendments. The Central Sanskrit Universities Bill 2019 was passed by voice vote in the Upper House. Earlier, the bill was passed by Lok Sabha. Replying to the discussion, HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank said, Sanskrit literature is the biggest treasure and legacy of India, having a unique identity itself. He also said, we are committed to strengthening all Indian languages.
कि सब सदस्यों ने एक मत से संस्कृत का इस विश्वविद्यालयों का समर्थन किया है और जिन्होंने भाषा में कहा है श्रीमान हमारे लिए सभी भारतीय भाषाएं श्रेष्ठ हैं। जब भारतीय भाषाएं समृद्ध नहीं होंगी तो हमारा कुछ भी समृद्ध नहीं हो सकता। ये सरकार सभी भारतीय भाषाओं के प्रति संकल्पबद्ध है।
Initiating the discussion, Jairam Ramesh of the Congress Party demanded that the government should allocate more funds for promoting other classical languages as well. Leaders cutting across party lines took part in the discussion. Since Rajya Sabha has passed the bill with certain amendments, it will now go back to the Lok Sabha.
Why should the minister be the chancellor of this central university? Why can't he find a distinguished Sanskrit scholar to be the chancellor? Divest your resources so that these universities can be run independently and professionally.
संस्कृत के लिए जब विश्वविद्यालय खोल रहे हैं तो शुरू में जो अपॉइंटमेंट होते हैं तो उसकी पहली श्रेणी लेक्चरर की होती है, उसके बाद एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, प्रोफेसर की होती है। आपने उसमें कोई लेक्चरर के प्रोविजन नहीं किया है।
Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy is taking all appropriate steps to protect the interests of the Tamil people and the language of Tamil. So once again, I request the Honorable HRD Minister to visit Tanjavur, especially Saraswati Mahal Library. The richness of that library can be made known only by visit.
संस्कृतं सदा प्रासंगिक भविष्यति। संस्कृतं केवलं अध्ययनं न अपितु उच्चतर गवेषणापि करणीयम्।
Please conclude now.
तेन भारतस्य विकासः भविष्यति।
And I am happy that 3 of such universities are going to be deemed universities, are going to be transformed as regular universities under the Ministry of Human Resource Development.
Rajya Sabha also took up a special mention on the coronavirus crisis. Trinamool Congress MP Derek O'Brien said members of parliament must spread word about precautions to fight the virus, while BJP MP Vikas Mahatme urged people to avoid visiting public places, including the religious ones. Chairman Naidu also urged people to not believe in rumours, follow hygiene and good practices.
I think the idea is all of us in positions of small office, big office, have to spread the word. And today, sir, we ourselves in Parliament.
Sanitization of the bank ATMs is extremely important, sir. At the moment, there is no such precaution. Secondly is regarding social distancing, sir. Testing, sir, very important. Across the country, there are 51 testing labs with a total capacity of 4,590 tests. Sir, this capacity needs to be increased going forward.
कि जो भी हमारी श्रद्धा है उसके साथ हम जुड़े रहे, लेकिन घर में ही ये बात रहे, बाहर तक के सबको जमा न करे। यज्ञ के लिए मैंने देखा है कि काफ़ी लोग तैयार हुए हैं, 500,000, तो वैसा न हो।
जितने भी एंट्री गेट हैं पार्लियामेंट के, उन सब पर स्क्रीनिंग की व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए।
I know from the government whether the government is willing to adjourn the session. If they are very much interested in passing the budget, they can pass it by bringing it a appropriation bill that they can pass, and then the Parliament can be adjourned. If not today, tomorrow, day after, at least it should be adjourned. That is
The airlines as well as Indian Railways are still levying cancellation charges from the passengers who have cancelled their tickets due to this COVID-19. I urge upon the government to intervene in this matter urgently and instruct the airlines as well as Indian Railways to forgo the cancellation charges in this scenario.
ये सुझाव जो है, ये सुझाव is worth considering because of a sudden cancellation of the school schedules and also other this thing. People are forced to cancel their programs. So let the airlines and also railways take note of this situation and see to it that no cancellation charges are corrected. That is the suggestion for the members. Please get it examined by the concerned minister. उचित समय पे जो रूमर्स चल रहे, वो रूमर्स में कुछ ग्रामर है नहीं है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सरकार के द्वारा, ICMR के द्वारा स्पष्टीकरण दिए तो जनता के लिए फायदामंद होगा.
Besides, several other issues of public importance were also raised in the upper house during 0 hour on Monday. Let's listen.
We need some central legislation, some kind of pressure from the government of India. I don't know exactly what legislation can do, but sir, some direction needs to be issued by the government of India, or this house needs to take some very strong action so that we move away from dirty energy, which is coal energy, and then we really depend a lot more on renewable energy. Thank you, sir.
जंगल बेरहमी के साथ जंगल माफिया द्वारा काटे जा रहे, कभी सड़क के बनाने के नाम पर, कभी बड़े प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जमीन उपलब्ध कराने के लिए वन विभाग की जंगल माफियों से मिली भगत के कारण जंगल के जंगल साफ हो चुके हैं। घने जंगलों के समीप आरा मशीनें धरने से काम कर रही है। घने जंगलों में आए दिन आग लगने के कारण जंगल समाप्त हो रहे हैं।
Since 2012, the central government has not revised the coal royalty, and now this is 2020, and on that account, all the coal-bearing states are heavily suffering financial losses, sir. And this money is spent on the development of that area and that state also, sir. And sir, moreover, the central government imposes a cess on the per ton production of coal, and recently the cess rate has been increased from 200 to 400 rupees per ton.
Manrega wages are lower than the minimum agricultural wages offered in all the states, sir. As a result of which, many states are facing pending payment issues also. I would request the concerned ministry, sir, that considering the fact that the government of India is going to be soon announcing the Manrega wage rate for financial year 2020-21, it should fix the wage minimum at 600 rupees per day in accordance with 7th Pay Commission, sir.
रोड पे खराब पड़े हुए हैं, रोड ठीक करा नहीं रहे आप, रोड में टोल टैक्स चाहिए, तो मेरी सुझाव यही उसमें केवल है माननीय सभापति जी कि टोल टैक्स की जगह जब हम गाड़ी का रजिस्टर करने जाते हैं उस समय वन टाइम टैक्स पड़ता है हमें, उस समय ही हमसे टैक्स ले लीजिए, टोल वाला भी ले लीजिए, वन टाइम वाला भी ले लीजिए।
8000 बीघा जमीन जो 17 के पास था, लगभग इसके 80% जमीन पर लोगों ने कब्जा कर लिया है। 17 अधिकारी जो मॉन्क्स होते हैं उनको 17 अधिकारी कहते हैं। ऐसे 3 17 अधिकारियों की हत्या भी हो चुकी है और यहाँ तक कि इसके 39 सतराज आज पूरी तरह से होने की स्थिति में आ गए हैं, अस्तित्व के संकट से गुजर रहे हैं। शंकर देव जी का जो जन्म स्थान है वहाँ पर जो 17 है, बोडावा 17, वह स्वयं आज संकट की स्थिति में गुजर रहा है। मैं आपके माध्यम से समाज, सरकार और सदन तीनों का ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूं।
The upper house also held discussion on the working of the Ministry of Railways. Trinamool Congress MP Derek O'Brien initiated the discussion and raised the issue of bringing in more transparency in the railways. Members of various other parties also participated in the discussion. Let's listen in.
There are a lot of officers and people in the railways who don't know what's going on. In fact, in a different kind of way, the railways too, and I mean it in an administrative way, the railways is polarized in terms of technical and non-technical. Minister, sir, through you, I request you, please look in deeply and talk to the railway family.
In terms of the freight movement, certainly this year and the next year, you will see a huge pickup because the Kisan Rail that has been announced will certainly open up new vistas of opportunity for the farmers and the farmer producers organizations to take their produce via the cold chain network, railway network to the nearest PC port.
PRS स्टेशन जितने भी पैसेंजर्स रेलवे स्टेशन के ऊपर जाते हैं तो उसके लिए PRS सेंटर का भी प्रावधान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। मेरी जानकारी में ये भी आया है कि ये प्रिंटिंग प्रेस अपना जो रेलवे का टिकट प्रिंटिंग करने का, रेलवे डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रिंटिंग करने का, वो भी आप उसको बैन कर रहे हैं।
There was no announcement on establishing a coaching terminal on the main line. The Viluppuram Tanjavur section, which was saturated many years ago, has not been taken up for doubling. This is very, very disappointing. So I would like our Honorable Minister for Railways to take up this as a priority and announce it as early as possible.
And that's it from us in this bulletin. Thank you for your time.